Let me ask you something. How many videos have you not made because you were waiting for the right camera or the perfect lens or the newest gimbal? I get it. We've all been there. But here's the truth. Nobody cares about your gear. You do. When I first started my company, first of all, to call it a company is a joke. It was not a company. It was a hobby. And the funny thing about it is that the camera, the lens, the equipment that I was using back then, it wasn't even mine. It was from a friend. My skill level at that time was non-existent. All I knew was I watched a lot of professionals that were doing what I wanted to do, and I just shadowed them through the screen. And one, I actually asked if I could work for free. Working at that studio was a studio in Toronto, and I asked if I could just shadow the owner and his shooters. I learned very early that it's about storytelling, it's about lighting, and it's about amazing sound quality. It is not about the gear, so to speak. It's not about the hesitation of having the perfect things or the perfect equipment in the perfect settings. It's not about that. It's about those three essential things. And I learned that, and I tried to implement that as much as possible with my own company at the time. And throughout the years, I've learned that if you could tell a good story with some good lighting and some good audio, you're good. I also learned very quickly that my clients did not care about the equipment that I used. They didn't care if I was shooting in 8K, 4K, 6K. They didn't even care if I was shooting in 1080. All they cared about is that I told a good story, that they looked good, and I accomplished what they had in their mind as far as their vision for their company or whatever service I was providing for them. So stop overthinking it and get started. Here's another pro tip for you beginners. Don't worry about investing tens of thousands of dollars on your first camera. Sometimes, and most of the times, the best camera in the entire world that you can use is the camera that you probably already have in your pocket, your phone. A lot of viral videos have been shot using a cell phone. It's not shot on $7,000, $10,000, $30,000 cameras. So don't overthink and don't overwhelm yourself thinking that you need to start by using these expensive cameras. Use what's in your pocket, stop overthinking it, just start shooting. Another thing that I would say is when you're just starting out, learn the basics of editing a video. Don't worry about getting the latest softwares and trying to upgrade softwares that you already have, probably the free version of right now. Learn the basics of those editing softwares before you upgrade, and again, start overthinking that you need the pro softwares to start. You absolutely don't. A lot of people still use their phone to edit, shoot, and have their whole career on their phone. So don't overthink these little things. You want to build your clientele, save your money, buy the necessary equipment based on the stage that you're at, and then you start investing, and then you'll be pro. You don't need perfect conditions to start. The act of creating will teach you more than any gear review ever could. Remember, gear enhances your skills. It doesn't replace it. All right, so here's your challenge. If this hit home for you, I want you to post it on whatever platform that you're currently putting your work on, and just ask people, hey, what do you think about this? This is my video that I made with my whatever camera. Give me your feedback. And you never know, you might just run into your first client. You just never know. And if you don't have a platform where you're posting it, send it to me, let me review it, and I'll give you my feedback. Because remember, starting imperfectly beats not starting at all. So stop overthinking it. Just record. See you soon.